How to change the search icon for your Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So we want to replace this little icon, so let's just go and get to it. So first you will need to just go to this website, svgrepo.com, and then from here you can just go in and search for the search icon. So you can just type in search, hit enter, and you should be able to find a lot of different options here to choose from. Just go and pick any that you actually like. I'm just going to go for this one for the sake of this tutorial. And then from this page, we simply just want to click on Edit Vector. Click on Copy SVG, and we should be good to go. We can just go back to Shopify. From our Shopify dashboard, we simply just want to click on the three dots right next to Edit Theme. Go ahead and duplicate your store first, just so we have backup. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but we still want to have a backup just in case things go wrong. After that, we simply just want to click on Edit Code. And then here we simply just want to go to the search up top and search for icon-search.svg. You should be able to find it right away. It's going to be this one right here. And then you see this little file icon left of save, reopen as source text. Go ahead and open this up. Select everything in here, so you can just do Control A, delete everything, and then just go and paste in the new one that we just had. And just so you know, you can even feel free to resize it from here. These numbers 25, 25 are pretty much sizes, so if you want to make it smaller, you can feel free to do so. Click Save on the top right corner, and this is it. So we can simply just go back to our Shopify admin, and we can preview our store, and we should be able to see that the search icon has changed. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.